Lithium batteries are essential for modern life, powering consumer electronics, electric vehicles, EVs, solar storage, and portable power packs. Their safety and reliability are key to our daily comfort. With the booming battery market, optimizing production has become critical. Producers now aim for sustainability, stable processes, and increased capacity, especially as EV sales continue to soar globally. However, as the market expands, producers face specific challenges, particularly with process control and traceability in the continuous mixing process. Fortunately, Rheonics is at the forefront of process fluid monitoring, providing advanced inline viscosity and density measurement instruments such as the Rheonics SRV, which provides real-time detection of viscosity and temperature within any process stream, and the Rheonics SRD, which offers similar operational capabilities to the SRV, with the added benefit of accurate density measurements. Rheonics sensors enable precise control over key battery slurry properties such as viscosity, density, homogeneity, and particle content across mixing systems, piping, and raw material tanks, eliminating guesswork and ensuring consistent quality, driving greater efficiency and reliability in electrode, cell, and overall battery production. Improve your production with Rheonics advanced inline sensors. Learn more at rheonics.com/solutions.